Smart Event.
That's right. Today we welcome OIC Cambodia with open arms as they visit our school to share who they are, their vision, and what they do.
OIC Cambodia is a charity that focuses on speech impediments as well as swallowing disorders and helps them by speech therapy as well as other methods.
Essentially, since their humble beginnings back in 2012, they have left many speechless as their way, as they help those who are in need of speech.
But before we give the stage to these heroes of speech and communication, we have a few things that we need to get out of the way.
Like every good can, we need an opener.
So can we call to the stage Tui to open this can for event?
Good afternoon, everyone. First, I would like to welcome our Executive Director, Mr. Dwayne, our English and Khmer Program Principal, Mr. Ambler and Mr. Dara, our Vice Principal, Ms. Judah, our practicals and staff, fellow students, and all of our guests. Welcome.
Our guests for this afternoon have a wide backgrounds and knowledge when it comes to international health, disabilities, and speech therapy. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome our guest speaker for this event, the Technical Advisor of OIC Cambodia,